So hello and welcome everyone, myself Sanket. So this video is for exclusively CMA Foundation students. So the guidelines are released. This is the replica of what is going to happen in the examination. So you are advised to give this examination, mock test examination on 30 August 2020. That is on Sunday. I would tell you each and everything. There are all the requirements stated here. So please watch this video and share with all the CMA Foundation students so that no confusion is left at all. So first thing, on 30 August you are having your mock test. It is mock test, it is not final test, but it is a complete replica of what is going to happen in September. Only eligible candidates, those who had filled up form, are eligible for this mock test. You check your email ID and SMS, the link will be sent by the institute. It is highly recommended that please appear for 30 August mock test. The mock test, this mock test will allow you to get familiar with the system and guidelines of online examination. As I told you earlier only, this is a complete replica. हुबेहूब तसंच दिसणार तुम्हाला what is going to happen in the examination. It is also recommended that to use the same system for actual test on 6 September. So on 30 August, whatever phone, tab, computer, desktop you are using, say use that only for the main exam also. On 30 August, if you use your mobile phone, then use that same mobile phone only for the exam. This is the request. Before examination, now before the mock test, what are the prerequisites? Keep your government identity card, that is voter card, driving card, Aadhaar card, student's ID card with you before starting the mock test. So this is the basic requirement which you should keep ready, that is government ID proof and student ID card. This needs to be uploaded on the online examination page before starting the examination. I am again telling you, this is very important video. Please don't miss it, because if you flunk or if you miss any guidelines, then it will have a very huge impact. So please watch this video and understand. I am explaining you point by point. Keep your login details, that is registration number, name and passkey, shared over mail in hard copy, written on the paper. So you will be given, you have registration number, name and passkey, it will be given on your email. So you take a rough paper and you write all the three things on paper before starting the examination. Once you open the examination page, you will be not able to access mail files. As it is online proctoring, I will tell you in the later part of video what is online proctoring. So your screen will be jammed, only the examination page will be displayed, the questions will be displayed. You cannot again open some new tab and copy paste something. So that's why they have told that you won't be able to access your mail files on computer, laptop once the examination begins. So you write every detail, that is registration, name and passkey, on a page. You are foundation students, that's why I am explaining you line by line. Please sit in a quiet room. Try to avoid bright lights behind your window. Why? Because there is webcam installed. You have to give permission, and it is a prerequisite that you should have a webcam and a microphone. So if the backside is very much bright, then the proctorer who is seeing you from the webcam won't be able to see you and catch your eyeball movement and everything. So the backside should not be bright. Please update your Google Chrome and give permission to webcam and microphone. I already told you these are two basic requirements. If you don't have, then the question paper will not load. Please update your Google Chrome and give permission to webcam, microphone from settings before you download the application. Okay, you have to download the application. The examination will start at 10 a.m. Please make sure you have enough power back, so that in case of electricity failure, your laptop or mobile does not shut down. So charge wirch करके रखना सब चीजें. Also, please use the fast and reliable internet connection so that you don't face an internet issue. Now the reliable and fast definition is 1 megabyte per second to 6 megabyte per second. So the minimum speed requirement is this. I will tell you in the later part of the video. Check the work for functionality of webcam and microphone from the following links. So if you click on this link, you will get to know the webcam test. Is your webcam eligible or it is feasible? And by clicking on this link, you can check the microphone. So when you pass, or your microphone and your webcam passes through this test, then the question paper will load. So you please check it to check the working functionality. Is it okay? Is it clear? You can check the webcam status. Basic infrastructure, I told you, continuous internet speed with 1 megabyte per second to 4 megabyte per second. Here it should be 4. So 1 to 4, it is normal. In 4G, you can expect 1 to 4. Laptop or desktop with webcam and microphone function. That is the prerequisite or the basic requirement for examination. If you are using laptop and desktop, then webcam and microphone is very much the basic need, and a browser is Google Chrome latest version. So भैया बहुत सारी requirement है, एक करके. In mobile phone, Android version 5 and above. Mobile phone with functional front camera. So your mobile phone must be Android 5 and above, and it should have a front camera also. I think here Apple is not eligible, or else they would have written iOS system also, which is missing. During the examination, okay, so these were the prerequisites which we talked. Now during the examination, the test is webcam and microphone enabled. Please read it. If the webcam microphone is not detected at the time of the test, the question paper will not load. Kindly allow the webcam. So the question paper is not going to load if you don't have the webcam or you don't have the microphone. Do not press backspace, refresh or close. So इधर उधर मत दबाना, only save and next as I told you. Do not submit unless you have attempted all the question. The test once submitted will not reset. I told you, if you click submit, then game is over. So don't click submit, just click save and next. Okay. You need to attempt all question of test in one go. All questions are mandatory. There is no negative marking. Okay. In case of power failure, light chali gayi, do not panic. Restart the test using the same login. So if your phone is just shut down or your laptop is shut down due to power failure, and again you plug in the power supply, so again you can you can start the test again with the same question which you left earlier. Submit failure. In the case at the time of submission you do not have an internet connection, so you completed all the question and when you were clicking submit, the internet connection was not there. Again, please do not panic. First thing, this is mock test, but even if it happens in the exam, do not panic. The uncommitted answer will be visible on the screen in front of you. So the answers will be visible in the front of you. Please save the page by pressing Ctrl S. So you have to press Ctrl S and save the page as PDF of the answer sheet displayed in front of you. Note the below details. So even if the internet connection goes or disappears, then you click Ctrl S and save it as a PDF, and then you mail it to ICMAI support at cocubes.com. What you have to submit? ID and unsubmitted question and answers. So, and if there is any more further query, please mail to ICMAI support at cocubes.com or contact ICMAI. Best wishes. So as you were foundation student, I thought it was my duty to make you understand very clearly what are the prerequisite line by line decoding of the entire guidelines. So I just expect that you share the video with all the students and do appear on 30 August for the test. This is it. Thank you so much. All the best.